And just like that, we're back, folks. Today we're packing up the 24 scales and we're headed to Linda Vista Park for the Bay Area RC Crawler's second micro crawl competition. If you like the content, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe below. But stick around because you're not going to want to miss this epic RC micro crawling action. So stay tuned.
Now I gotta get a few more carrots for it.
I think you won. You made it further in the course, right?
Can't make top 7 right now. And you don't made it past 3, so you won. So you beat him.
You're in the lead.
So that's my body? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. For now, you're in the lead.
Already make it 2?
Did you tap 7 off or make it through 7 and then go?
I tapped it.
Oh, we gotta fight then. Oh, that's what I did.
He gets here.
We're tied.
What the? Let's go! I can't make it up that way. Look how clean that is.
Funny, I did that last run too.
These trenches do surprisingly well out here. That's why I'm running this one instead of the other rig.
I want to run my Patagonias, but it's too small.
I brought Hyraxes.
Oh, you're running it now, huh? Is this your second run? He just jumped in?
Yeah.
I got like 40. He's like everybody's second run. I think if I don't make it by my 3rd run, I'm just going to quit. Not quitting. There's no quitting in baseball. No, just quit.
Fuck, the battery's
crying
dead.
in baseball.
Oh, wait.
Is it just binding or is it a battery?
It's my battery.
No, I up there, and then the second time I got
Oh, what? No.
come on, battery. I think your thing was just binding.
I lowered it last time when you told me.
I don't think it's battery. And then it's not really the servo.
Out turning and then
Yeah.
Oh, did I bind that?
I think it's binding.
I think he just gets
For the cut, the hair became a control band. Just kiss the Metallica. You ever heard of Metallica? Yeah. It's totally Texas. You? I've heard of them. I don't listen to them. I don't do country. Oh man, I get out of here. The closest country I get is the Good Old Boys. I guess that. They're a metal
Oh my god.
Oh.
Do we have to stay on the cement?
No. All the way down and come back up.
What body is that?
You got 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Get it, boy. Let's get it. We're on the right line. If I remember now. Did everybody really see it? Grab that guy that gets there, kind of figure it out. Just repeat. I need to get my right tire up that high. It's the only way.
Get through.
Let's go!
Oh, fuck.
Oh, shit. Come on.
Fucking made it. Let's go.
That cliffhanger body, dude. Oh, there he goes. Let's go. Let's go, Kuya.
Oh, no.
Done.
Oh, let's go!
323.
What was that?
323.
Woo! Is that the best time?
That's the fastest time.
Let's get it, boy! Bobby, how far did you get forward here? Everyone's stuck on the first gate now? What's going on?
I think I'm gonna.
I only got a base.
I think you're gonna hit the gate. I'm gonna go straight through the crawl.
Yeah.
You need a blower.
Yeah. Get some shit yeah. I like that guy. Let's see how put metal in here. Just work today. I like the white body.
It's chopped off. And Daddy, what did you just say?
Minute.
Mud, bro.
I've never seen so many chainsaws in my life.
Clear. Clear. Woo!
I should have been watching this guy too.
Good shit, bro. Let's go! Let's go! Give it the beans!
He went to the bathroom, Jordan. Let's go.
Let's go, JT! Woo!
212.
Let's go!
Yeah!
212.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
That 3S helped you. The
212.
I was holding my breath that whole damn time. Take it apart. I was like, well, I can look at it. I have one. I know what. You know. What
I'm already. I can't go.
I can't go look. And as soon as I turn the wheels off, it came with plastic gears. Yeah. Because they wanted to sell it all the way at the Exactly. You know, you don't want people to run it the one time and broken. You know. Yeah. And that's exactly what I did. You have to get on the first try, so I ended up pulling one of the gears out.
We'll do this. We'll do this.
That's why I'm already here. You see this?
I want to get a couple videos.
Wrong.
Okay.
They sent out 12 tooth instead of 14 tooth. So the mesh was just kissing.
Yeah.
And so they sent me 2 more sets. So I might have an extra set. So
I want to go home.
well, so the thing is, they said he's going to raffle or something.
Yeah.
I'm gonna think about that.
Yeah.
50.
Oh no, I see it here again.
I only finished this my one truck. The other one, I only completed when we were.
Yeah, see, I want to get those 2. I want to try that.
Feel like they did pretty good. Sure, I think the trenchers are better.
Oh, is it? Oh, Redford than anything, you know? Court martial.
Looking at these are like the LGRP ones. They're the same Mickey Thompson style.
Oh yeah.
So many tires so far.
It's not easy, right? It's tough, right? So.
I've made it twice.
Super dusty.
You know, when you try to correct it, it's like cracks in a little boat there.
Go, Brian.
Minute 56.
What?
Minute 56.
What was it?
156.
Go, Brian! Or keep me at third, guys. Keep me at 3.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content. Please remember to like and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out, and we'll see you all next time.